A lot of people asking me, Sifu, how do you pronounce the word the U with the two dots? Very difficult to pronounce. Let's say YU, you end up telling you. If LU, you're pronouncing Lu. If QU, Ku. Day, that's not how you pronounce that word. You have to learn how to pronounce the Sifu way. I will teach you how to pronounce the U with the two dots. Very, very easy. So the first thing you need to know is you need to have Google. Let's go to Google. I will teach you Mandarin using Google. So you're gonna Google and then you type Pinyin table. Come here, please Pinyin table, and then you click on images. Okay, and then you look out for any chart. So I just took up a random chart. Okay, this is one chart. Okay, let's go down. And if you see this is your Pinyin chart, you will see the top you will have A, O, E, I, U, U. Okay, this is what you've been asking, right? Is you two dot don't know how to pronounce. I will teach you today. Very easy. Okay, and then down here is all the initials. These are initials. This is final. So combine of both, you get the words. Okay, I'm not going to talk about all that. I'm going to show you this one. A lot of people ask me, very very difficult to pronounce. I'm telling you, it is very very easy. Okay, you see, we will have U, UE, UAN, UN. Okay, so today class going on. Okay, I will be teaching you how to pronounce the word U with the two dots. We have NU, LU, JU, QU, XU, YU. You don't go and pronounce nu, lu, ju, ku, su, you. Hello, you don't pronounce like that. Okay, there is a way of pronouncing it. I'm going to show you. If you see anything ending with to you with two dots, step number one, you follow these three steps. Okay, step number one, go to another Google and then you type. Okay, let's go for Google. Let's type Google. Okay, come here. I'm just showing you. Step number one, you pronounce. Let's say if you want to learn which word you want to learn, NU, right? Okay, if you see NU, switch the U two dots to NEE. Change it to NEE. Step number two, let me go zoom in a bit. Okay, Ni, Nan, Kadal, what is this? I'm not interested. Ni, okay. Nina, what is Nina? Okay, okay, Ni. And then step number two, you pronounce the word choose. Step number three, pronounce the word NEE again. Nilofa. Need soon, need you. Need more or needs more? No need, no need. Okay, Ni, choose, and Ni. This is the three-step technique. Okay, I will teach you how to pronounce this. Okay, let me go on a bigger camera, besar sikit, besar sikit. Okay. Step number one, NU, right? So change it to Ni. So step number one, you tell Ni. Step number two, you pronounce the word choose. You tell the word choose. Your mouth will be like this when you pronounce the word choose. Maintain your mouth like this. Choose, 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 choose. Okay, step number two. Step number three, pronounce the word NEE again, maintaining your mouth like this. I give you an example, okay? Ni, choose, ni. That's all. Don't just maintain your mouth. Your lip must be like this as you wanna kiss somebody. Okay? Ni, choose, ni. That's how you do it. Okay? So the same principle here. Okay, let's go bigger a bit. Okay, the same thing here. If you see LU, very easy. So switch it to LEE. So you get Li, choose, Li. Yes. This one. What is this? JU. J sounds like C. So you pronounce G, choose, G. Maintain. As long as your mouth is maintained and your initials are not pronounced right, you won't go wrong. If you see QU, very, very easy. Q sounds like CH. So you get CHEE. If you see QU, so you switch it to CHEE, and then you pronounce CHEE. That's it. Okay. So you pronounce chi, choose, chi. You wanna play four tones, can? Chi, 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 chi. That's how you do it. Very, very easy. Okay, next one. QU, XU. Su, su, su. Don't know how to pronounce XU. I show you. XU. Okay, switch it to X sounds like SH. Okay, SH. That's it. Okay. So you pronounce XU. So you pronounce she. Okay, 3 steps. Let's go. She choose. She. Play 4 tones. She. Oh, yo, Sifu's way very powerful. The Sifu's way is so powerful. This is 100% accuracy in pronunciation when you learn the Sifu way. No need to struggle learning Mandarin, why? Because Sifu is here. Sifu talking a lot, huh? Okay, never mind. Okay, entertainment lah, entertainment, okay? Okay, let's go back. Okay, then the next one. Then the last one, YU. This is YU, right? Very easy. Just change YU, change to YEE. That's it. Let's go. Yee. Choose. Yee. Gonna play 4 tones? Can? Yee. 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 Yo. We just solved a big headache in this one video. Sifu power or not? Oh, of course, Sifu is the best of the best. Oh, Sifu Prasan, huh? Yes. Day. Okay, see you all to the next video. All the best. Yes, yeah. 再见.